Welcome to another OmniED Brief. My name is Christie and for the next few minutes, we're going to discuss finding, storing, and returning your supplies to its place. Being proactive in our preparation will allow the learning experience to be more effective and our transitions more efficient. So let's get started. When you are organizing supplies and materials for hybrid or distance learning, you will want to consider the following factors. Categorize similar items in select storage, label and file things strategically, ensure easy access throughout your day, and be sure to replace those supplies when you are finished. Now I know you are probably asking why this would be any different than how you might normally store things. Perhaps it isn't, but let's take a deeper dive into each of them for the perspective of your child's needs. First, you will want to categorize similar items and select appropriate storage. For example, put pens and markers together, Post-its, and index cards. This will allow for the selection of a storage bin that allows for convenience, one that fits your item's shapes and sizes, but also allows for organization. Once you have selected the bins, you will want to store those bins on accessible shelves, in cabinets, or perhaps on a rolling cart that can be wheeled over to your child's learning space each day. Next, you're going to want to use file folders with labels to organize paperwork for your child. Different colors can be used for different subjects. For example, blue for English language arts, green for science. Have your child organize their folders or work by due date, or perhaps based on finished, unfinished, or next task. It is always important to learn your school's learning management system, the LMS. You can organize work files at home based on the system created in the LMS. So the online system matches the tangible folders in the learning space. Organization will be key to efficient work completion and submission. Next, consider where your child's materials are located. The last thing you want is instructional time wasted with finding and pulling out materials. Make sure your child has easy access to everything they need and organize it the day before so your child is ready to go. If there is shelving or cabinets next to the desk, store materials in the same room. You can also designate a kitchen cabinet for school supplies if using the kitchen table. Again, use a cart to organize and then roll it in and out of the space during the instructional day. This allows for you to use the space in a multi-purpose fashion during the day for school and on the weekends for fun. Finally, when the school day is over, return everything back to its place. You have organized the materials so that everything has a place. Be sure your child returns the items back to that place. In addition, return the space back to the home space. For example, if you are using the kitchen table, return the placemats and salt and pepper shakers. Close and return those instructional bins and pull out the snacks or prepare for dinner. Using a space that is multifunctional should be just that, functional and inviting as the home space when that distance learning day comes to a close. Remember, everything should have a place and be in its place, so learning is seamless. Instructional time should be spent on learning and work completion, not excessive transitions and finding materials. At OmniED, we encourage you to be proactive with this organization to get the most out of learning. Thank you for participating in this OmniED Brief, a place for everything. For more information, visit us at omnied.org. At OmniED, we are all for education and believe in education for all.